Welcome to Knowing English HQ. My name is Michael.
And I'm Charlotte. We are happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about starting a conversation.
That's right. The title of our show today is Stop Saying Hello, 10 Better Ways to Start a Conversation.
Now, Charlotte, is hello a bad word? Should we stop saying it?
No, of course not. Hello is a great word. It is correct and polite, but there are many other ways to greet someone.
Exactly. And using different greetings can make your English sound more natural and more friendly.
It shows you know more English. It is good for your confidence. So, we have a list of 10 other greetings for you. Are you ready, Michael?
I am ready. Let's start with number 1. It's a classic. In fact, it's 3 phrases in one.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
Yes. Very important and very useful. These depend on the time of day.
Right, so you say good morning early in the day before noon. For example, when you go to a coffee shop at 8 a.m.
Exactly. And good afternoon you use after 12 p.m. or noon, maybe until about 5 or 6 p.m.
And good evening is for later, after 6 p.m. When you go to a restaurant for dinner, for example.
A quick note. We say good evening when we arrive. When we leave, we say good night. It is also worth noting that these greetings are a bit more formal than a simple hello, so they are great for professional settings, like an office or a store.
That's a very good point. Yes, they are very polite. You can also use them with people you don't know to show respect. For instance, when you meet your new neighbors for the first time. So, our first alternatives are good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Great. What's number 2?
Number 2 is the simple question, how are you?
How are you is so common. You hear it everywhere.
Yes, it's polite. It is a nice way to start talking. It is more than just hello. It asks a question. It shows that you care about the other person. In many English-speaking cultures, it's a standard and expected part of a greeting.
Right, and the answer is usually simple. You can say, I'm fine, thanks, and you? Or, I'm good, thank you, how are you? It's important to ask the question back to the other person. It keeps the conversation going.
You don't need to give a long answer. It is just a polite way to start. So that's number 2. How are you?
Okay, what is our third greeting, Charlotte?
Number 3 is a more informal or casual way to ask, how are you? You can say, how's it going?
How's it going? I like that one. It's friendly.
It is. You use this with friends, family, or people you know well. It's relaxed. It's a bit like asking, what's happening in your life right now? It's a great way to open up a more personal conversation.
So if I see my friend, I can say, hey, Tom, how's it going?
Perfect. And he can answer, good, thanks, or it's going well, or even not bad, you. Simple answers are best, but you can also add a little bit of information like, it's going well, I'm getting ready for my holiday.
Great. So that's number 3. How's it going? It sounds very natural.
It does. Now for number 4. This one is also very informal. What's up?
What's up? Very common, especially with younger people.
Yes. It is like saying, what is happening? Or what is new? You use this with friends. It's very informal, so you probably wouldn't use it with your boss unless you have a very relaxed relationship.
And the answer can be very short. Sometimes people just say not much or nothing much.
Right. Or you can say, hey, what's up? Back to them. It can be a question and an answer. Sometimes people shorten it even more and just say, sup? It's very common in text messages too.
So what's up is great for casual, quick greetings. Let's move on to number 5. This one is super simple.
Okay, what is it?
Hey. Hi.
Oh, yes. Hey and hi are used all the time. They are short, easy, and friendly.
Exactly. They are less formal than hello, but you can use them in most situations, with friends, in shops, at work with colleagues. Hi is a little more formal than hey, so if you are not sure, hi is always a safe choice.
That's true. They are very versatile. You can say, hi, can I have a coffee, please? Or, hey, Maria, good to see you. You can also combine them with other greetings. For example, hey, how's it going?
Perfect examples. So number 5 is simple and effective. Hey or hi.
Great. We are halfway through our list. What is number 6, Michael?
Number 6 is a lovely one. You use it when you see someone you know. You can say, it's nice to see you.
Oh, that's very warm and friendly. It shows you are happy to see the person.
It does. For example, if you see a neighbor at the supermarket, you can say, oh, hi, Susan. It's nice to see you. You can also say, it's great to see you, or it's lovely to see you, to show even more enthusiasm.
Mm-hmm. And they can say, it's nice to see you too. It is very positive. It really makes the other person feel good.
It is. So number 6, for people you know, it's nice to see you.
Okay, what about number 7? This one is a bit similar, but for a different situation.
Yes, number 7 is how have you been?
How have you been? Okay, so when do we use this?
You use this when you see someone you know, but you have not seen them for some time. Not for a week or a month or longer. It's a great way to reconnect with old friends or colleagues.
Okay, so it's for friends you don't see every day. It asks about the time since you last met.
Exactly. The answer can be a bit longer than for how are you. Someone might say, I've been good, thanks. Very busy with work. It's an invitation to share a little bit about your life since you last met.
That makes sense. So number 7 is, how have you been? For when you see someone after a while.
Right. Now for number 8. This one is also a question to ask a friend. It's, what's new?
What's new? This is a good conversation starter.
It is. It's an informal way to ask if anything interesting has happened in their life recently. It's more specific than how are you, so it can lead to a more interesting conversation.
So, if a friend tells you about their new job or a recent holiday, this question worked well.
Yes, and if nothing is new, they can say, not much, same old, same old. That's a common phrase. Or they can say, nothing much, what about you? To pass the question back to you.
Good to know. So number 8 is what's new, for a friendly chat. 2 more to go. What's number 9?
Look who it is!
Look who it is. I like the energy of that one. It's for when you see someone you don't expect to see.
Exactly. Imagine you're in a different city and you see your friend from home. You can smile and say, wow, look who it is. Your tone of voice is very important with this one. You need to sound genuinely surprised and happy.
That would be a nice
Goodbye,
surprise.
everyone.
It's a very warm and friendly greeting for an unexpected meeting. It instantly creates a positive and fun atmosphere.
For sure. So number 9, look who it is. And now our last one, number 10.
Okay, what is the final greeting on our list?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. That's a bit like number 6. It's nice to see you.
It is. It is a little more casual. It's very common and friendly. You can use it with colleagues, friends, neighbors, almost anyone you know. It's a great all-purpose greeting.
So, if you meet a coworker in the kitchen at work, you can say, "Morning, David. Good to see you." It's also a nice thing to say when someone arrives at your home for a visit. Like, "Hi, Sarah. Come in. Good to see you."
Yes, that's a perfect use for it. It's simple, polite, and positive. A great way to greet someone.
Excellent. So that is our 10th phrase. Good to see you. We have covered a lot today.
We have, let's do a very quick review of all 10 phrases.
Good idea. Okay, I'll say the number.
Number 1.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Number 2.
How are you?
Number 3.
How's it going?
Number 4.
What's up?
Number 5.
Hey, hi.
Number 6.
It's nice to see you.
Number 7.
How have you been?
Number 8.
What's new?
Number 9.
Look who it is.
And number 10.
Good to see you.
Fantastic. That's a great list of options for our listeners.
Yes, our advice is to try 1 or 2 new greetings this week. Don't try to learn all 10 at once.
That's very good advice. Choose one that you like and practice it. Maybe, how's it going with a friend?
Exactly. Practice makes perfect. And soon, it will feel natural.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. We hope this lesson was helpful for you.
Thank you for listening to Knowing English HQ. Keep practicing, and we will talk to you in the next episode. Bye for now.